Well, hello there.
Hello.
How are you?
Hungry.
Yes.
Come on
Welcome
in.
to our room. And what do you think of our room so far, Jennifer?
I think it smells great. It's really clean and it has a lot of amenities.
So where are we and what are we doing?
We're going to do a room tour. We're in La Paz building.
Casa Paz.
Casa Paz. We're in room number
5423.
5423. And when you walk in, you go to the left. And there's a big mirror to check your fit. There is double sink. And they give you shampoo, conditioner, and I have no idea what this is.
That's a mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
So this is...
I don't know, it seems kind of thick for mouthwash. Oh, maybe it is.
No, it's a mouthwash.
Okay.
Remember from last time?
I guess. Then
You
you
got your
get
makeup mirror.
and honey soap.
I remember that.
And then blow dryer,
That's
Kleenex.
tissue.
Okay, then you've got toothpaste.
Oh, there's a comb.
A vanity kit, a shower cap, a loofah,
Oh.
a comb, and a brush, and a bowl full of mush. No,
toothbrush.
toothbrushes and razor.
Oh,
I
okay.
bet the razor's not very good. Oh, and shaving foam. Wow, so you don't even have to like bring toiletries.
Yeah, I guess.
And then you walk over here.
Well, you missed the jacuzzi tub.
Oh, the big jacuzzi tub, and that comes with
Bubbles.
bubbles and bath salts.
Salts.
Ooh, we did not partake in this last time, so we will have to partake in this time.
I think so, yes.
Okay, then you've got the toilet.
Let's turn some lights on.
Oh. Oh.
It's the toilet room. It's the toilet. Hold on. Yeah, we got to do the... So this is the fancy thing about this. And the funny thing, you've got the controls here, which control that.
Oh, who wants to see me pooping?
So let me do it from the other side. Hold on. Oh, let me go over here. Hold on. Hold on. This is where you have to be careful because if you don't have that set just right, someone's in there and... Jennifer!
Oh!
Ah, Jennifer. So you have to
Just kidding.
you have to be careful with that one.
I don't know who thought that was a great idea.
I don't either, but anyway.
Then you walk in and we've got a beautiful king bed.
Yes.
With nightstands on both sides.
Yes.
Got a little chair with a desk. Plenty of drawer space. Ooh, they're nice and deep. And then I think
That's the refrigerator.
this is the fridge.
And it comes stocked.
It does,
Yeah,
and you
that's-
can have it replenished every day.
Yes. So soda, beer, water. You got some juice down here.
Yes.
That was a little loud.
And then you've also got, so your ice bucket, your glasses for your water or your beverages, a whole bunch of snacks. And they will replenish these every day too.
Yes.
So you've got
These are all
some
really good.
peppers, some, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, peanuts, lollipops. I'm not gonna try to butcher that. I think this is, nope, I don't even know what this is.
We had those before.
I think we did. Isn't this the marzipan?
I think
Yes.
so. Yeah.
So some of
Marzipan.
that.
And that's what we just had at the
The
airport.
peanut, this is really
Yeah.
good. No, this is what we,
And we had that at the airport.
Yeah, we had this. And then, yummy. So, and they will restock that every day.
Yes. There's your
And there's
water.
more water for your coffee maker with all the things.
Yes.
Garbage can, a nice table, which we're gonna sit at because we just ordered room service. But then I think the best part of this room is the outdoor space.
You get an outdoor jacuzzi tub. A big stone jacuzzi tub.
Yes.
And this is not fake stone, kids.
No. Ooh, this is gonna be nice.
Yes.
Sit out here. I
you
mean,
can
our
add the
room's pretty
water.
private.
You could add the water, and then we got to just figure out where the controls are.
So there's a towel rack for your towel.
Yeah.
And then you've got the hammock.
Yes.
A little table and a chair.
Yes.
So this was nice. Unfortunately, it's a little too hot right now to enjoy this.
It's not bad, actually. It's not bad at all. Our balcony wraps around because we're an end room. So we got a garden view, which...
It's definitely garden.
Yeah. And then I'd have to look to see what this building is over across from us. But we have a courtyard here. Let me get under the hammock. Oh, you didn't look at this fountain, did you?
I did. I actually did because I watched all of the videos on this resort. Yes.
Very cool. Let's duck under the hammock. We didn't really show the shower. We kind of skipped that part. So let's go back in and show the shower.
I do want to say, so we were given an upgrade. So we booked a garden room, and this is a garden spa room because it has the outside jacuzzi tub. So it was a little free upgrade.
Yeah, true. That's right.
Which is
It was.
appreciated.
But, you know, well, we'll mention that in a second. Let's just show the shower quickly. There's the bathroom. Did you show the closet space?
No,
I don't think we showed the closet.
So you are given a sewing kit and a shoe cleaning cloth and slippers that you can take home. And you've got the
More
nice
drawers.
comfy robes, extra pillow
Yep,
blanket.
showed that. Showed the other side because we might need this week.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain.
Umbrellas, two
And
full-size umbrellas and a
Some sick
scale.
twist thought it would be great to add scale. And then this we actually get to take home. They give every room a beach bag.
Nice.
This is,
I like that.
Yeah.
And then this one's for
is if
laundry?
You want to have laundry
Yeah,
bag. That's
okay.
not charged.
Yeah.
And then your ironing board and your iron.
All right, so the shower.
It's a nice walk-in shower, and it comes with all the things as well. Rainforest shower head, your towels.
And then you have the handheld over here. So this is, and then you've got more of your amenities there. And this door will open out or in. It's a free swinging door. It's swinging, baby. So what is this? What is this, Jen?
I have no idea.
Is that the fan?
Does it turn into like a sauna or something? I have no idea. We'll have to ask.
I think it can. I think the shower turns into a sauna.
Yeah, I think so too.
So
That's
you know
kinda
what?
Cool.
I think she did mention that. It's on for 29 minutes.
Huh?
I think she did mention that when we were checking in.
Really?
That it has that sauna in there.
So is that something that all the rooms have?
No, I think we got an upgrade for it,
Huh.
but I could be wrong.
Okay.
So, all right, well,
Okay, so that's our room tour.
yes.
We're gonna cut this short because I need to freshen up and I feel disgusting. We've been traveling all day. We were up at 5:45 this morning and it's now gotta be close to 5.
I slept till 6:30.
Well,
You were up earlier than that, though. I remember you woke up at like 5:15 and then I went back to sleep. But anyway, so overall, the check-in process, that'll be a separate video for the resort and everything else. But overall, the check-in process was really nice. Wasn't too difficult at all. There was not so much an upsell as it was offering if you wanted it. So it wasn't a hard push, but
they will try to upcharge you for a lot of things at this resort. So just know that going forward. But I mean, we said no, and we were still given a free upgrade.
Yeah, then we could have had the Artistas building, which is the ocean view. and it has the extra restaurant, an extra rooftop pool. But
it's fine. We're probably not going to be in our room a lot. We're going to be at the pool, so
yes, so it's fine.
It's fine.
But this room is really very, very nice. It's very similar to what we had a year and a half ago when we were here.
And I think this was about $800 a night for this room, not including, that was just for a garden view. That is not for the spa tub.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So.
Yeah,
But it
this
is
room
all,
is about $800 a night, just so you know.
But it is all inclusive, so you get all the food and drink.
And round trip transfers to and from the airport.
Yeah.
So I mean,
amenities in the room as well as free room service. So yeah, I mean, and then you have access to all these ecological parks.
Yeah,
so,
that's true. Which they're on average about $125 to $150 per person.
per day.
Per
Yes.
day.
So anyway, so all right. Well, that is it. That's our room tour for Xcaret Arte, room 5423. We hope you enjoy it. Tune in for more of our other videos. We've got the resort, different videos of the resort that we're going to publish throughout.
Yes.
And then I'll probably do like I did last time and do a full, complete resort tour. Just kind of put together all the videos that I'm going to do.
And we will link the resort tour and our room tour for Xcaret Mexico Resort, which is the sister resort to Xcaret Arte, in the description below.
Yes, it's right next door. So that was the one from last year. But okay.
All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we're in Mexico.
That's it.
Let
we're
the
here.
fiesta begin.
It was a really nice day and a nice flight, and we're here.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.
All right. Bye.